Long before the birth of Ram and his brothers, King Dasharath fought the Asuras with his own hands. During one fierce battle against the Asura Sambara, Queen Kaikeyi stood by his side, skilled and fearless. When Dasharath's chariot axle broke and he nearly fell, Kaikeyi held the wheel in place with her own arm. Later, when the king collapsed from his wounds, she drove the chariot out of danger and saved his life. In gratitude, Dasharath granted Kaikeyi 2 boons.
Kaikeyi, my beloved wife, you have saved my life.
I grant you 2 boons, Jat. You may ask for whatever you want, and I shall give it to you.
Thank you, my lord, but I do not need anything right now. I shall ask for these boons whenever I need them.
Years passed. Ayodhya now prepared for its most joyful day. Rama had grown into a noble young prince, and the kingdom awaited his coronation as its next king. The people adored him. Kaushalya was overjoyed. To her, Ram was a son in every sense. But this perfect moment was about to be shattered. In Kaikeyi's chambers, a single whisper began the turning of fate. Manthara, her lifelong maid, arrived with one intention: stop Rama's coronation.
Oh Queen, you are very innocent. You think that Ram will be made king and everything will be perfect.
Manthara, what are you trying to tell me?
Ram would become the king. He would not give anything to his other brothers.
Bharat, your own son will lose everything. Kausalya's rise as queen mother would push you and Bharat aside.
Her words were sharp, relentless, and poisonous.
What should I do then, Manthara?
Overwhelmed and confused, Kaikeyi reached for the only power she believed could protect Bharata.
These are the promises Dasharath gave me long ago.
She felt she had no choice left, not out of anger, but out of a desperate belief that she was saving her son from an uncertain future. Kaikeyi entered Dasharath's chamber and demanded her long-saved boons.
My beloved husband, King of Ayodhya, I have come today to ask you for my 2 boons that you had granted me long back.
Yes, my queen, you can ask me anything you want.
I want Bharat to be crowned the king of Ayodhya instead of Ram.
I am deeply hurt with what you have asked, my queen, but I made a promise.
And I will fulfill it. What is your second wish?
Ram will go to the forest for 14 years. On his return, he can no longer be the king of Ayodhya.
Kaikeyi, you don't need to send Ram away. I will make Bharat the king of Ayodhya.
I have asked for my 2 boons, and I need them fulfilled.
Dasharatha broke under the weight of the promise he was forced to keep. Outside, the people continued their celebration, unaware of the storm forming within the palace walls. And far away, Bharata remained innocent of the chaos created in his name. Will Ram be forced to leave his crown and walk into the forest for 14 years? Watch the next episode of Ramayan to find out. A new episode releases every Saturday.